You've probably seen lots of folding boot jacks like this. They're not uncommon. They were made either side of 1900 and they're quite practical for removing your shoe or boot, and then when you're done you can fold it up, put it away under the stairs or wherever it's going, and it's nice and compact. But this one is different. And the thing is, the Victorians had this mindset that they thought, well, yeah, that's very good, but we can improve that, can't we? And that's what they've done with this. They have improved it for travel. Now, when it's packed up, you can see it's relatively small, but they had to take it one stage further. And we've never seen one before, and it makes it quite interesting. Now, you might have had a clue from these two cross stretches here. You'd probably only expect to see one on a boot jack like this. But if we come in, we can also see that we've got some hooks on the side, and we can actually see a split here. So if we undo the hooks, this dismantles further for travel and reduces in size. But the way it connects, they've considered the strength of it, keeping that important strength so that it's very practical and usable. And you've got these two 4-inch steel rods that fit in. Nice bit of detail. The ends are rounded, so you're not going to struggle getting them into the holes. They'll slide in nice and easily. And they're held on by these lacquered brass plates which are screwed in, and the holes that they fit into also have got these lacquered brass plates, which just protects the hole, stops it getting worn as you're pushing the steel rods in and losing its shape and so its strength. So it's made of mahogany. It's around about 1900 in date. I've never seen one before. I've seen plenty of boot jacks like this that simply fold, and we would never buy one of those. They're not of interest to us. But this one, taken that step further, made to fold, much easier for a cavalry officer to pack away with his baggage, take off on campaign with him. It's far more interesting, and so that's why we've got it. There's always something new out there that you've never seen, that you wouldn't even really imagine they would bother doing. This is one of those pieces. Let's improve it. Let's make it even better. Around about 1900 in date, English, made of mahogany. Nice, subtle detail. Not too much decoration, but these chamfered edges to the wood just lift it. A little bit of ring turning on the handle. Nice shape to the cutout. And you can see this extra little shaping down here, just to take a fitting on your boot to take a spur if that's what you've got. So there you go. It's on our website.